Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here you can see with me 2005 Subaru Outback, and we did together in different video diagnose the problem with the code P0301, which is misfire on number 1 cylinder. We found out that one of the spark plug wires is bad. It's exactly this one. So vehicle came back the next day, and I can show you how it's easy to replace spark plug cables on this EJ25 4-cylinder engine. I've got here replacement ignition wire set, right? You never just buy the one, but you replace all of them. Let's go and look inside how it looks. And I'm basically ready to go for it. So let's do this job together. I move the camcorder and zoom it on that ignition coil which you see here. So let's start with that wire number 1, right? You can see the detail, and all you do, you just pull on it this way and the wire is disconnected. For obvious reasons, I recommend you to work on it when the engine is cold and you don't burn yourself on all these parts. So I just continue, right? Can you see that? I'm just unplugging it, and now I will need to pull it out from being attached to that spark plug. So all I have to do, put my hands down there and try to pull it towards to me. You should hear a click. Oh yeah, there was that click. And I should be able to pull it out. Now, if you want to make more space, of course you can go ahead and remove that entire engine air filter box, right? There are always the options, but here is the cable removed. I will repeat it on that number 3 cylinder, right? I realized the camera wasn't really in favor showing you everything, so once again I can twist it a little bit, alright? It's stuck, but I lift it from these holders, and down there, if I have a space, which I have, I will pull it out of the engine head, away from it, right from that valve cover. I will pull that entire wire out. If it doesn't want to go, it's good to rotate it, right? If it's too stuck on that spark plug inside, and boom, you heard it again, right? And here is the number 3 wire. Now you don't have to mark them or do anything like that. If you see on the length, right, on this engine, they all 4 of them, they are same length. And obviously I will be doing exactly the same on the other side. So here, right, we have a camera embedder place. This is the brand new one. I will start on the bottom. So making a space or having a space down there, I will insert it in that tube. And after that, I'm carefully pushing it this way towards to the spark plug, which is in that head. And when you are connecting it and pushing it on it, you need to feel little click. That means those electric contacts connected on that spark plug. Let's see it. And after you nicely push it all the way in and it clicks, right, I'm ready to push this protector down here, because it's for avoiding contact with these steel parts, and I can connect the whole connector here. You heard that click, right? And I can nicely route it in these holders, which will nicely separate the wires. The same will be with the rear one, right? I will bring the new one. The same will happen here. I will carefully find the way towards to that spark plug, and make sure that I'm pushing it all the way in until I have that electric contact clicking on that spark plug. I just heard it there. After that, I will carefully route it up. This is the wrong way. I need to go underneath that AC pipe. And look at it. I will click it here. Boom and doom and doom. And I have it perfectly routed and nothing will be touching. And as I said, the same it's for this other side, right? I still have the old ones here. Doom, doom. Maybe I can try to show you detail of that plug down there. Let me see. Is that possible? If I zoom in for you. Maybe that gives you idea when I will be pulling on it, right? So basically I'm grabbing that top right here. Can you see it? No, it's just I cannot put the camera down there. This is what you are doing, right? You heard that click again, right? It came out, and I have this wire also out. Maybe this time if I put it there, do you see how I'm entering that space? And now, right, pushing it in all the way until it will click. It just clicked or popped, it just makes such a sound or feeling, right? And again, I'm routing that wire, right? But first I will connect it on the top, right here. You heard a click, and in these plastic holders. Now I know there will be no bad contact. And I will do the same with the last one. Well, we have replaced these wires, right? But we still have to check if the engine is running correctly, right? You wanna hear that the repair was successful, right? So let's go and start it up. Before it was misfiring on cylinder number 1. Let's hear how it sounds a good engine. Oh yeah. That's how it should be, right? I'm pretty sure you will agree that this was very simple, right? Everybody can do it. Just please be patient when you are pushing it. You need that click, you need to feel or hear that click. When this end connects to the top of the spark plug, right? This is important, otherwise this will be not all the way in. Also watch for the routing of these cables, so they are where they're supposed to be in those holders, and there will be not some possible sparking against the metal, so that's really important. Other than that, very easy. I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure that you are subscribed. I will always have many videos about Subarus coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.